First you have to pry it open. See, pull it. See, I have to pry. I know I should be using the plastic pry bar. See. The piece that broke off is this piece. If you try to glue it or anything, it will not stick. I tried and it's not strong enough. So I have to use a small bit. Drill a hole, you see that hole? Drill a hole into, can you see? Drill a hole. Move this out more out of the way. Try not to do too many times. Into here, see a hole into something metal that can hold the weight, and trying to focus. Can you see where the spring? My piece didn't break here. My piece didn't break here, so I had to draw a hole into here, try to thread it in, and I did. See how I did it? Onto here, put it back up. Into the hole. Into a hole, boom, that's it, and it worked. I don't think it will never break. That's it. Put it back together. "10-minute fix." About. That's all I did. Draw a hole into the plastic and the metal, and I close. That's it.